How do you graph a line using point-slope form? Have you ever wondered how to easily graph a line using point-slope form? It might sound tricky, but it is quite straightforward once you break it down. Let's take a closer look at how to do this step by step. First, you need to understand the point-slope from equation. It is written as y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. In this equation, m represents the slope of the line, and the coordinates x1, y1 representing a specific point on that line. Next, identify the point and slope from the equation. The values 1 and y1 come from the point in the equation, while m is the slope coefficient. This information is essential for plotting your line accurately. Now let's plot the known point x1, y1 on the coordinate plane. This point will serve as your starting point for the graph. Make sure to mark it clearly so you can refer back to it easily. After that, use the slope m to find a second point on the line. The slope m represents the rise over run. This means you will determine how much to go up or down, which is the rise, and how much to go right or left, which is the run, from your first point. For example, if your slope m is 3/2, you will go up 3 units and right 2 units from your starting point. If your slope is negative, like -1/4, you will go down 1 unit and right 4 units. Once you have calculated the rise and run, mark the second point on your graph. Now you have 2 points plotted. The final step is to draw a straight line through the 2 points. Extend the line across the graph and add arrows at both ends to show that it continues indefinitely. This gives you a clear representation of the line based on the point-slope form. This method allows you to graph a line without rearranging the equation into slope-intercept form, which can sometimes be more complicated. By plotting just 2 points and connecting them, you create an accurate visual representation of the line. As a practical tip, if the slope is a fraction, treat it as rise over run. If the slope is negative, remember to move down for the rise or left for the run. You can also extend the line by continuing the rise and run pattern in both directions to ensure it covers the graph well. Using point-slope form is a simple and effective way to connect algebraic equations with visual graphs, making it easier to understand linear relationships. So next time you need to graph a line, just follow these steps, and you will do it with confidence.